All right, welcome today, Hamster CEO. Today we want to also reveal to you the 3 daily combo card for today to receive 5 million as quick as possible. All right, let's go to Hamster. Let's launch Hamster so that we go and look for the 3 combo card for today, my fellow CEO. All right, when you go to mine, when you come to mine, you are looking for these 3 cards so that we'll be able to get this 1 million. So let's look for the 3 cards. So I always tell you, I am going to let you know which is the card. Let's check under market. The card is not here under market. None of them is here under market. Right, let's go to PR. Let's go to PR. All right, I've seen the first card. This is the first card, TikTok. The first card is TikTok Boost Exchanger. So let's get the first card. This is the first card. See, congratulations, we get the daily combo for today. So let's go and look for the second card. The second card. Let's look for the second card. All right, I've seen the second card. This is the second card, influencers. This is the second card, influencers. So let's click and get it. See, the second card has been assembled, just a little bit left. So we are going to look for the third card. The third card, let's look for the third card. All right, third card is not here. Let's go to legal and look for it. Third card definitely is not here. It's not here in legal. Let's go to special. Let's go to new cards. Let's go to new cards. So let's look for it. New card is not in new card. Let's go to my card in case I've gotten the card already. Let's go to my card. We are looking for the third card. We have gotten 2 of this card, which is influencer, TikTok, and then we are looking for this one now. All right, I've seen the third card. The third card is YouTube golden button. That is surely the third card. YouTube golden button is the third card. So let's get YouTube golden button. This third card was there yesterday too, so it also appeared today. So let's click. So it says we must watch the new shot first before we can get the card. So that is it. So let's go back and get the third card. Let's go back. Let's get the third card. All right, that is it. 5 million given. We have been given 5 million unit of hamster. So dear CEO of Hamster Kombat, take your price, because that is the third card for today, being 28th of May. So that is the 3 card that will give you the 5 million for today. So I've gathered the 5 million for today. So go ahead and then do influencer, TikTok, and then YouTube. Please subscribe and comment to my channel. I always bring you the daily new card as fast as possible. So do that so that together we grow. As you are doing that, it's helping the algorithm to show the video to many so that become a community. Thank you. I am bringing you other updates and other videos on other airdrops and crypto mining apps. Thank you. I like you guys and I love you guys.